Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yesterday we saw US market is showing some profit booking, mainly driven by the sharp gain in the previous week, where we saw good improvement in the US market in the last week. Today, and apart from that, the Apple has launched most awaited few of the products, which has taken the stock bit up, but ultimately it ended bit lower. The event got over for the Apple. At such, the stock saw some profit booking there also. So it's more of a natural course of action, but nothing has changed. Overall seems positive. US futures are flat and Asian markets are showing some positive signs in today's trade. On the commodity side also, oil is more of a flattish, whereas we are seeing some positiveness in iron ore and steel prices. Iron ore is seeing some positive trend in last 4 5 days in China market. It has moved up from around $95 to around $107 in last 7 8 days. Apart from that, that is mainly because of some positive policy support expected for the property market, which is giving some support to the steel prices in the China market. Though India iron ore prices are still hovering around 8,900 pellet prices. Nothing gain had yet been seen in the Indian market for the pellet prices. But quite possible if this gain in the China market sustained, then we may see some up move in the Indian market also. Overall seems more of a quiet day for Indian market also. We may see sideway movement in the Indian market. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Yesterday, we have seen a gap up opening and Nifty remain sideways. So then we have said that 18,600, 700 will act as a very strong resistance level. And Nifty failed to surpass that resistance level on the closing basis, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Now, today, the market is likely to open on a flattish note, and we're likely to witness a profit bookings at the higher level. On the technical front, as of now, the immediate support is placed at 18,500 levels. If it's went below that level on the closing basis, then we are likely to witness more selling pressure into the market, which might take a Nifty towards 18,400 to 300 once again. But on higher side, as of now, the resistance is placed at 18,640. Any more about that level, we expect a positive momentum towards 18,770, 18,800 levels on the high side. Now coming towards the bank Nifty, for the today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at 44,500. About that level, 44,740 and 44,800 levels are likely to be seen on the high side. Whereas on the downside, 44,000 will act as a psychological support level, support provided by the yesterday's gap as well. And if it closes below that level, then we are likely to witness more profit booking into the bank Nifty. Sorry. Downside, we can see 43,800, 43,600. Now coming towards Fin Nifty, 19,570, 19,610 are the crucial resistance level. On the flip side, 19,500 and 19,470 are the crucial support levels. So that's it from my end. I request derivative team to take a call for me.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, looking at the overall open interest, Open interest is still low. We are just starting the expiry, and low open interest is a good sign. VIX continues to be around the 11 levels. PCR also around 1, so nothing to worry here. Yes, FIs have been selling in the last couple of days, but it's not heavy. Also, one important thing is the base has shifted upwards. 18,000 had the highest put base, but now that has shifted to 18,500, so that's a good sign. I believe Nifty should witness a couple of days of consolidation, and then further uptrend can be seen. There is a good chance that Nifty reaches 19,000 going forward in the next few days. Lot of call unwinding was seen around 18,600, 700, 800 strikes in the last week, and highest call base now is at in 19,000 calls. So there is a chance that Nifty can move up towards this 19,000 levels going forward. Uh, from the stock specific front, more or less, you see, most of the stocks have been doing well. Banking stocks have attracted a lot of open interest, especially Axis and IndusInd Bank. These two stocks can witness some buying going forward, and also IDFC First. These three banking stocks are, the outliers at this point of time. With a lot of longs being built in, there is a good chance that further rally will come in these stocks. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. BL Kashyap and Sons has secured new orders worth 147 crores from Pune Knowledge Park. This is positive. And Chalet Hotels has launched its second hotel in Hyderabad, the Westin Hyderabad, the high-tech city. Addition of this 168 key property takes the total number of rooms under the company's portfolio to 2,800 rooms. So this is positive for Chalet Hotels. Thank you.
Good morning. Wipro's new digital solution Vision Edge will power BCTV's a new digital out-of-home television network distributed across bowling centers in the US. The size of the deal is not known. This is positive to the company.
Good morning. JK Cement has signed a share purchase agreement to buy 100% stake in Toshali Cements, for which the consideration will be 157 crores in cash. Toshali Cements has two manufacturing units. One is integrated units with a clinker capacity of 0.3 million ton and a grinding capacity of 0.2 million ton. Another one is a grinding unit of 0.443 million ton, and which both the plants are situated in Odisha. The valuation comes out to $30 per ton, which is very cheap. So this is positive for JK Cements. Thank you.
Good morning. A new IPO by the name of IQ Lighting is opening today, that is on 6th June, and will be closing on 8th June, that is on Thursday. And we have given subscribe rating for the same. Price is rupees 285 per share, and the total issue size is rupees 607 crores. That will constitute of 257 crores of OFS and 350 crores of fresh issue. Market cap will be 2,200 crores on listing. Now, talking about IQ's business model, which is similar to listed companies like Amber, PG Electroplast, and Elin Electronics, that is, they all are contract manufacturers for consumer appliances. IQ focuses more on high-end LED lights and not on commodity bulbs and tube squant, so it faces less competition and hence it is able to command EBITDA margin of 22% as compared to average of just 6% for peers. Also, 51% of company's revenue comes from Philips, which is the leader in the high-end LED lighting industry with a market share of 50%. Company has 45% of wallet share with Philips. The main tailwind for the company in terms of growth is that LED lighting market itself is expected to grow at 27% CAGR by FY26. Over FY 2020 to 2023, company's revenue growth has been in line with peers at 26% CAGR, while its ROCE is twice that of peers at 32%. And this is just because of the reason that it is operating in the premium end lighting market. On valuation side, peers are trading at average PE of over 50 times FY23 earnings, while IQ is available at just 32 times. Thus, we are giving it a subscribe rating. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, in today's session, prices in commodities are likely to rise, and one can initiate a buy around in gold around 59,700. So, as long as 59,700 is holding, prices are expected to test 60,000 to 60,200, and one can maintain a stop loss of 59,500. Silver also buy around 71,700 and maintain a stop loss of 71,100. Upside 72,500 to 73,000 is expected. Crude oil, we have seen it is resisting around 6,100. So one can initiate a sell around 6020 level and maintain a stop loss of 6110. On downside again 5900 to 5850 is expected. Natural gas yesterday prices were trading positive, and though it is trading in a range movement, but one can initiate a buy around 185 and maintain a stop loss of 178. On upside again, it can test the resistance of 197 to 200. Copper prices have closed above the resistance area of 718. So one can initiate a buy around 718 and keep a stop loss of 712. 712. On upside again, it can test 724 to 27 levels. Zinc also one can initiate a long with a stop loss of 206, and on upside again 211 to 12 is expected. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. In currency, that is USD INR. Yesterday we saw very strong buying on the lower from the lower levels. So one on today's session, one can initiate a long positions if market trading around comes around 82.53 levels. For the intraday purpose, one should put the target of 82.70 and maintain a stop loss of 82.45 levels. And from the higher end, one can also put a short positions around in the range of 82.70 to 82.75 levels with a stop loss of 82.81 for the target of 82.58 and 82.48 levels. In JBP INR, this price is going to sustain above 102.90 levels, so one can initiate a long position with a stop loss of 102.54 levels for the target of 103.10 and 103.33 levels. Thank you.